I'm Dipanvita Chattopadhyay. I'm the Chairman and CEO of IKP Knowledge Park. It's a research park and incubator in Hyderabad, headquartered in Hyderabad, and we have incubator in Bangalore and smaller centers in Mysore, Mangalore, Belgaum, and Shimoga. We look at largely life sciences, which is pharma, medtech, agriculture, environment, and in Bangalore and other smaller incubators, we look at all engineering aspects. So those are basically maker spaces and incubation centers. It's just not space, since it is of course incubation space, but mentorship, fundraising, and connecting to other players, how to scale. So the idea is, from idea to scale up, how do you help startups in their growth stage? Basically, they have to have an idea that can be scaled, that can be developed into a prototype and marketed. So the idea is important, the team is important, execution capability. So these are some of the things that but idea and novelty, whether it will make a product, we are looking at technologies, and we want these technologies to come to market. We raise funds right from government to other donor agencies for grant. We have equity money, we have a small amount of debt also that we have provided. And we have VC Connects, we do Angel Connects. We have our own small venture capital firm, which is called India Innovation Fund, IKP Ventures. Several of them. The first incubating company that we have, it has been tremendous success. So maybe I'll start with that. That is Laurus Laboratories, Laurus Labs. In 13 years, it went for an IPO in 2016 and 4,500 crore valuation. I think their manufacturing setup is in Vizag, and they have about 3,500 employees. So if you look at IP generation, they have over 300 patents. So it's a great success. And then there'll be so many others who have done, like Remedio, which is a medical device company for diabetic retinopathy, detection of diabetic retinopathy. They've raised Series B funding. Thank you.